Okay,
Okay, no?
start.
Okay, good morning, students. Today we will discuss, we learn the topic 6th class social studies. First topic, reading and making maps. Reading and making maps means reading. Reading means how to we understand, the maps, and making maps. Making maps means how to we prepare. That means అర్థం చేసుకోవడం అంటే మనం ఒక మ్యాప్ని చూసినప్పుడు దాన్ని ఎలా అర్థం చేసుకోవాలి, అండర్స్టాండ్ చేసుకోవాలి. అలాగే ఏదైనా ఒక మ్యాప్ని మనం తయారు చేయాలంటే ఎలా తయారు చేయాలి మనం ఇప్పుడు నేర్చుకుంటాం. అండ్ సమ్ టాపిక్స్ ఫస్ట్ వి ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ డైరెక్షన్స్ ఆన్ ఏ మ్యాప్, స్కేల్ ఆర్ డిస్టెన్స్ ఆన్ ఏ మ్యాప్, సింబల్స్ అండ్ ఇండెక్స్. These are the main important features reading and making maps. Okay, so maps. How to use maps? How to use maps? Maps are like tell several things about different places, like different regions where there are mountains, or which places are located in seacoast areas, and which places are located in plateau region or plains, and which places receiving heavy rainfall and covered with forests and etc. This type of all information tells the maps. And generally we use also maps, different types of maps, because of not tell that only one map is all things are all details. For example, some land maps. Land maps tells us only different types of lands, red soils or black soils, etc. And forest maps. It is also only tells about forests only, and which places are covered fully or which places are covered lightly. And so in this purpose, we use different maps in our daily lives, like thematic maps, political maps, administrative maps, and etc. Okay, first we discuss the topic directions. Generally we are all know how many directions. How many directions there? There are 4 directions. What are they? East, west, south, and north. These are the 4 directions. So compulsory we understand the maps, or we prepare the maps. Compulsory first we know directions. Okay, and how do we find the directions on a map or in our daily life? How do we know? For example, when we facing to our east means where the sun rises, comes up. So when we facing to east, our right side, all things towards south. Automatically our left side, south opposite our left side, north, and our behind is west. So these are the 4 directions we find. When we facing east, our right side is south, and our left side is that north, and our behind is the west. East, south, west, and north. These are the directions in our daily life. And next one, directions on a map. So how do we find directions on a map, or how do we prepare, how do we mention, and which place we taken, like in that map. So generally all general maps are the north direction is mentioned, or always top on the map. The north is the prepared or the mention the north of the north on the map, and south is bottom is south, and right side east. Right of the map is east, and left of west. This is the mention on a map. So generally in the top right corner we mention the arrow mark. This arrow mark indicated like north. This arrow mark show the north direction, and north, south, or the map right side east and the left side west. This is the directions on a map. Okay, and okay, some special cases, some special maps. The south is mentioned maps left side or top side. Only some special maps only. But general all maps generally the north is mentioned the top, and south is bottom, the right is east, and left is west. This is the maps directions on a maps. And next scale or distance on a map. Scale. Scale means generally we draw several images or several places we draw on a map. For example, on a map we draw one bridge. We draw in a bridge. The real bridge distance is 500 meters. But we cannot draw the real distance on a map because of it takes a lot of space, much space. It is not possible to 500 meters or not possible to prepare the 500 meters map. So we reduce the real distance. We reduce the real distance. Reduce means like a short. For example, 1 kilometer is equal to 1 centimeter. 1 kilometer is equal to 1 centimeter. 1 kilometer is the real distance. It is reduced to 1 centimeter. That means 500 meters. 500 meters means how many centimeters? Like 0.5. 1 kilometer is equal to 1 centimeter. That means 100 kilometers is equal to 100 centimeters. It is possible to prepare a map or prepare some particular places, bridges or roads or etc. And next one, symbols. It is the also important topic. We understand the maps. Symbols are is very important to understand the maps. What are the symbols? For example, we draw a village. We prepared one village on a map. The village means its surrounding distance like 4 or 5 kilometers. But it is not possible to mention in a map. So automatically we reduce the scale, distance, and also we cannot draw the real images on a map. For example, we take one bus stand or one school. It is not possible to draw on a map because of it take lot of space or too much space. So automatically we mentioned or we draw some small symbols. For example, settlements. Settlements means a group of houses. That means we draw some pictures. Settlements. And trees. Trees like we cannot draw the real tree on a map. So we can draw the just a small pictures. and railway tracks, roads, and so many tanks. And also some holy places like temples, churches. Temples means we draw the and a church and masjid. Etc. So these symbols are used to reduce the real images. Like we cannot draw the real images on a map, so use the symbols. And index is also most important when we prepare the maps. Index means, for example, symbols. It is we don't know what is this without mention that name. Some members only know, but most of the people they did not know what is that. So when we that symbols like index means houses or settlements. So it is the mention the names. Names are particulars. For example, scale 1 kilometer is equal to 1 centimeter. Or some pictures, what that pictures name, and etc. This are all type of details. So we mention the bottom of the map. That bottom of the map, this is called the index. So these are the most important points of we understand the maps and we prepare the maps. Without this anyone, we cannot understand the maps and we cannot prepare the maps successfully. Okay? So,
పాజిటివ్ పాజ్ అంటే మళ్ళీ అదే నొక్కు స్వామి.
ఓకే చిల్డ్రన్స్, సో అందరికీ అర్థమైంది కదా రీడింగ్ అండ్ మేకింగ్ మ్యాప్స్. సో at our home, prepare one map, one sketch map, sketch your house and convert it into a map. That means your house and your surrounding houses draw and convert into a map. మీ హౌస్ అలాగే చుట్టుపక్కల ఉన్న ఇళ్ళన్నీ కూడా ఒక మ్యాప్ లాగా మనం ఏదైతే చెప్పుకున్నామో లైక్ ఇండెక్స్ అండ్ డైరెక్షన్స్, నార్త్ మ్యాన్స్ అండ్ టాప్ ఆఫ్ మ్యాప్, నార్త్ డైరెక్షన్స్ అండ్ స్కేల్ అండ్ సింబల్స్ అండ్ ఇండెక్స్, ఈ పాయింట్స్ అన్నీ కూడాను మీరు ఆ స్కెచ్ మ్యాప్లో మీరు కన్వర్ట్ చేసుకొని ఒక ఓన్ స్కెచ్ మ్యాప్ అనేది మీ హౌస్ అండ్ సరౌండింగ్ హౌసెస్ స్కెచ్ మ్యాప్ని ప్రిపేర్ చేసుకోండి. ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ.